Hello everybody, I am Abhinash and welcome back to my channel. If you're starting a business, whether it is a shop, office, consultancy, startup, clinic, or even a work from home setup, one of the first legal registrations you need is Shops and Establishment Registration. Today I will explain what is Shops and Establishment Registration, who needs it, step by step process, complete document checklist, and compliance after registration. Let's get started. What is Shops and Establishment Registration? Shops and Establishment Registration is a mandatory state level registration governed by the respective State Shops and Establishment Act. Every state in India has its own act, like West Bengal Shops and Establishments Act, Maharashtra Shops and Establishment Act, Delhi Shops and Establishment Act. This registration regulates working hours, wages, leave policy, holidays, and record maintenance. Who needs shops and establishment registration? You need this registration if you run retail shops, offices, IT companies, startups, freelancing, office setups, clinics, restaurants, warehouses, any commercial establishment. If you have even one employee, registration is required. In most states, registration must be obtained within 30 days of starting business. Now we look at the step by step process for online mode. Most states now provide online registration through the Labor Department portal. Step 1. Visit State Labor Department website. Go to your respective state labor portal. Example, Ministry of Labor and Employment for central information. Step 2. Create login ID. Register using business name, mobile number, email ID. Step 3. Fill application form. Details required: name of employer, business name, nature of business, address of establishment, number of employees, date of commencement, PAN details. Step 4. Upload documents. Step 5. Payment of government fees. Fees depend on state, number of employees. Usually ranges between Rs 500 to Rs 5000. Step 6. Certificate issuance. After verification, registration certificate is issued online. Download and display it at the workplace. Document checklist. Here is the complete checklist. Basic documents: PAN card of business, Aadhaar of employer, passport size photograph, address proof of establishment, electricity bill or rent agreement, and NOC from owner if rented. What are the additional documents if applicable? Incorporation certificate, partnership deed, GST registration, MOA and AOA for companies, employee details if any. Now we look at compliance after registration. Once registered, you must maintain employee attendance register, maintain wage register, follow working hour rules, provide weekly off, display registration certificate, renew registration if required by state. Remember, non-compliance may attract penalties. What are the common mistakes to avoid? Delaying registration, giving wrong employee count, not updating changes regarding address or employee strength, or not renewing on time. So to conclude, that's the complete process and checklist for shops and establishment registration. If you are starting a business, don't ignore this compliance. It is one of the most basic and important registrations. If you find this video useful, like and comment, and subscribe for more HR and compliance updates. See you in the next video.